Hello everybody! As many of you may know, I am Dr. Alexander Millman here at LotusSmiles. And what we're going to be doing from now on is once a week we're going to keep our patients up to date with the most frequently asked questions. So today we're going to start with the question I often hear from my patients, which is, do I really need to come in every 6 months if my teeth look clean and I brush 3 times a day and I floss every single day? The answer is you still need to come in every 6 months, and here's the explanation why. We all have bacteria in our mouth. Bacteria is very tiny, you can't see it, it's so tiny, and no matter how well you brush, you're brushing this portion of the tooth with your bristles of the brush. The bristles don't get down into this, it's called periodontal pocket. So when you're brushing 3 times a day and keeping your teeth really nice and clean, this area here can get infected. Okay, so even though you're brushing out there, bacteria can accumulate down here and cause problems, which is one reason why you need to come in every 6 months, even if your oral hygiene at home is perfect. Second reason is bacteria can also get into enamel, causing cavities. Now, you do not feel cavities because they're far from the nerve. When you come in regularly, we do a very thorough checkup and x-rays to find out if there are cavities. This is one of the better ways to understand what happens when you develop a cavity. Now, when you develop a cavity here, you can clearly see it. However, if you develop a cavity on the side of the tooth, because you have another tooth blocking it, you wouldn't see that without x-rays. That's why x-rays are also very important. When you start sensing a problem is when bacteria starting to get into the nerve. At this point, we can no longer do a filling because now bacteria has a pathway into your bone and surrounding tissues. So to prevent this, every 6 months checkup and cleanings is very, very important. So you don't want to wait until something bothers you. You want to come in regularly. Hope that answers your questions, and we'll see you next week.